Amit has 24 apples. There's one boy, Amit, he has 24 apples, and out of these 24 apples, he gave 14 apples to his friend. He gave 14 apples to his friend. Now the question is, how many apples are left with him now? Now this left word is there. As I told you, whenever we come across this left word, what we have to do, we have to subtract the given numbers. We have to subtract the given numbers. So after writing this question, we will leave one line and we will start writing number of apples. Number of apples it has is equal to 2, 4, 24. Then we will leave one line and then we'll write number of apples. You have to leave one line like I left, okay? Number of apples he gave. Number of apples he gave is equal to 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. Now what we have to do is we have to arrange these given numbers in ones and tens column. So our first number is 2, 4, 24. So we'll write this 2 in tens place and 4 in ones place. Then our next number is 1, 4, 14. So we will put minus sign. And then we'll write this 1 in tens place and this 4 in ones place. Now we have to subtract these numbers. So this is 24 minus 14. 24 minus 14. Mayuri, are you writing? Okay. Tanviswi, tell me 4 minus 4 how much?
0.
Very good. So we always start subtracting from the numbers in ones place first. So 4 minus 4 is 0. And what are the numbers in tens place?
2 minus 1.
2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is?
1.
Very good. So answer is 1, 0.
10.
10. Answer is 1, 0, 10. Very good. So number of apples left with him. We will leave one line and then we will write number of apples. Number of apples left with him is equal to 1, 0, 10. You will leave one line and then you will write this number of apples left with him is equal to 1, 0, 10. Yes, children, write down fast. Is there anyone who is still writing? Is there anyone who is still writing? If nobody is writing, then I'll clear this. Ketan, please write fast.
I write, ma'am.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. Advait, are you still writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you? What are you writing?
I'm writing. Lastly, ma'am.
Write fast, okay? Other children are also waiting for you. Please write fast. Hanvit? Hanvit, are you there? Hanvit, have you completed your work? Okay. Dhirav, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, yes, children. So I'll clear this now. I gave you sufficient time. I'm clearing all this and we'll move to next question. Next bit. That is bit second bit. So children, take out new page and write your second bit. This is your next question. Start writing. There are there are 39 cars in a parking lot. There are 39 cars in a parking lot. 17 cars left. Seventeen cars left. How many cars? How many cars are left? Are left in the parking lot now? There are 39 cars in a parking lot, 17 cars left. How many cars are left in the parking lot now? Write down the question fast. And children, try not to make any spelling mistake. Yes, children, please write fast. Is there anyone who is still writing the question? Ketan, again it's you. Please write fast. Write fast. And children, remember one thing, and please listen carefully. You have to share your homework regularly, math homework regularly with me. Okay, so please do share your homework regularly with me. Okay, children, we'll start now. Yes, children, so you will leave one line and then you will start writing the statements. Okay, so the question is, there are 39 cars in a parking lot. Parking lot means any area where we are parking our cars. Like whenever you are going to any shopping mall or any big complex, you have to park your car, right? So in that parking lot, there are 39 cars. And out of those 39 cars, 17 cars left that parking, okay? Left that parking lot. So now the question is, how many cars are left in the parking lot now? So how many cars are remaining in the parking lot? Okay, so we have to find out that. And again, this left word is there. So what we'll do, we'll subtract the given numbers. We'll subtract the given numbers. So start writing your first statement. Number of cars, number of cars in the parking lot. Number of cars in the parking lot is equal to 3939. 3939. Then again you will leave one line and you will write number of cars left the parking lot is equal to 1717. Then what is our next step? Our next step is to arrange these two numbers in ones and tens column. So our first number is 3939. So we'll write this 3 in tens place and 9 in ones place. Then we'll write our second number. Our second number is 1717. So we'll put minus sign. Then we'll write this 1 in tens place and then 7 in ones place. Okay, so now we have to subtract these given numbers. Yes, Tarini?
Miss, I'm not done yet.
No issues. Take your time. I'm not erasing this. Okay? So we will arrange these two numbers in ones and tens column, and then we'll subtract them. Number of cars in the parking lot is equal to 3939. Then number of cars left the parking lot is equal to 1717. Arhan, Arhan,
Yes, ma'am.
Arhan, you tell me what are the numbers in ones place?
9 and 7.
9 and 7. Very good. So tell me 9 minus 7 how much?
9 minus 7 is 2.
Very good. 9 minus 7 is 2. So we will write 2 in ones place, and 3 minus 1.
2 minus 1. 2.
Very good. So what is the answer?
22.
Answer is 2 to 22. Very good. So we will write our last statement now. Number of cars left in the parking lot. Number of cars left in the parking lot is equal to 2 to 22 is equal to 2 to 22. Write down this in your math notebook. Yes, children, write fast. Is there anyone who is still writing? Advit. Okay, Advit, write fast. I'll give you 1 minute. Yes, Ketan.
Ma'am, I write.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. Advit, are you still writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Advit, please write fast. Other children are waiting. Children, you need to increase your writing speed because other children are waiting for you. Especially Advit and Ketan. Okay, those who have completed, take out new page, write date, classwork and revision number 11. Those who have completed, take out new page, write date, classwork and revision number 11. Revision 11. Again, I'll repeat, those who have completed, take out new page, write date, classwork and revision number 11. Okay, children, I'm clearing all this now. I gave you all sufficient time. Yes, after writing date and classwork, you will leave one line and then you will write revision 11. Okay, after this, again you will leave one line and write this, fill in the blanks. After writing date and classwork, you will leave one line, you will write revision 11. Then again you will leave one line, you will write fill in the blanks and then you will write your first bit. 12 minus 0 is equal to how much? Then after every bit you have to leave one line. 19 minus 7 is equal to how much? 45 minus 3 is equal to how much? The next question, 22 minus 5 is equal to how much? The next bit, 78 minus 4 is equal to how much? Then write one more question. 66 minus 3, 63 minus 1 is equal to how much? Note down these 6 questions quickly. What you have to do is you have to count backward. You have to count backward and then you have to try to find out the answer. Okay, you have to count backward counting. Okay, first one is 12 minus 0, then second question is 19 minus 7, the next 45 minus 3, next 22 minus 5, next question 78 minus 4, and last one is 66 minus 1. Okay, Arohi, you tell me 12 minus 0 how much? If you are subtracting 0 from any number, you will get that same number back. So 12 minus 0 is?
12.
Very good. So you will get same answer, same number back. So 12 minus 0 is 12. Okay, that's the correct answer. Now next question. Ayan, Puluru, unmute yourself. Next, Ayan. 19 minus 7.
18.
No, no. Ah, yeah, correct. Go, go.
18, 17.
Hmm.
18, 17.
You have to go 7 steps back. 19 minus 7. Take out your 7 fingers.
7 fingers.
Yeah, now start from 18. Yeah, close one finger.
18, 17, 16, 15,
Hmm.
14, 13, 12. 12.
Answer is 1 to 12. Okay, very good. That's the correct answer. Now next one. This is 45 minus 3.